Today we're gonna do an unboxing of Universal Yums, so stay tuned. So I have my husband Marty and my son Xander here, and we are going to do a little unboxing here of this new subscription box that I got. It's called Universal Yums, and it is sort of a snack subscription box from foods around the world. So you get a different country each month and you get treats and stuff from that country. So I forget which country we picked to start with. It looks like so. So we have the Czech Republic. So we get this little thing and it tells us like where all the different stuff came from. We have a Yum scoreboard here, fun. So we can like rank how each of these treats are. So it says after you've tried the entire box, decide on your team's favorite, worst, and weirdest yum and write the number of the snack in these bubbles. You take a picture of the scoreboard and tag Universal Yums on social media, and they will send more of this month's most popular yums if you're one of our monthly 10 winners. And there's also like, if you like this, you'll like this in their shop. And then they also have like a little scavenger hunt thing. Fun. Okay. Oh, and then we have a little booklet here. Off we go to the Czech Republic. And let's see. So it tells us a little bit about the Czech Republic. There's a recipe, trivia. Oh, and it tells you what order to like try the treats in. So it gives you all the nutrition facts, the people of Prague, quirky traditions, a day in the life in the Czech Republic, some more recipes. Cool. All right, so let's dig into the snacks. Oh, and we have a sticker. I tasted the crown jewels of the Czech Republic. Okay, so we have Ghost Snack. Cute. We have some pepper and rosemary potato chips. We have flat pretzels with onion. Caraway pretzel bites. The raspberry candy. Llama mix gummies. Yes Bonds sticks. Apple and cinnamon soft candy. Crispy rice cakes. Apricot yogurt glaze. Oatmeal chocolate cookies. There's a lot of snacks in here. And crispy corn cakes, cocoa glaze, and sea salt. All right, so it says to start here with the raspberry candy.
Oh, it's like Tums. It's sweet. It's more like really big sweet tarts.
The powder of it just hit the back of my throat.
Solid pixie sticks.
Solid pixie sticks.
Yep.
It's making my mouth water.
More like Fun Dip.
This is good. I like that. All right, what do y'all want to try next?
Okay.
Caraway pretzel bites. Here we go. I can't say any of the other words on here. One for you. One for you. One for me.
It's pretzel.
I'm not a fan
Tastes
of the caraway stuff. The little seed things.
It tastes kind of minty for some reason.
I don't like them. I love. Okay. Next we have the pepper and rosemary potato chips. Ooh, they smell really good.
Dang.
It had a good smell. There's not a whole lot of smell to that. But these smell really good. That's an interesting taste. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't dislike it as much as I like these. Like I dislike those. You want another?
Sure. Not bad.
Tigger. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's jumped up in the seat with me. Okay. Those aren't my favorite thing, but they're not terrible. Okay. Next we try the roasted onion pretzel crisps.
Smell this.
There's like no smell. And they're very thin. I feel like I need another.
Tastes like pretzel.
There's like a hint of onion. But yeah, mostly pretzel. I like those. I don't think we should tell you about like what it says about each of these items because that might take like a really long time. The next thing it says is the puffed rice cake with apricot yogurt, which this just doesn't sound good to me. Might be delicious, but it just doesn't sound that great. Ooh, but it smells really good. Okay, so we get 2 in the pack. So, it's kind of like eating styrofoam with an apricot glaze.
I mean, it doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't taste bad,
It tastes better than these.
but the rice cake, the way it's made, it just, I don't know, it's like styrofoam to me.
Not bad at all.
Okay. Next we have, I think these are, yeah, the chocolate dipped oat cookies. Okay, sorry if the angle changed, but Tigger moved the tripod. Okay, so the next thing we have here are the chocolate dipped oat cookies. Okay, these look a little messy. They're like melt immediately. I like these. You want another?
Sure.
One out there. So far, my favorite. Just chocolate. What do y'all think?
It's good.
I have messy fingers now.
I like that one. I like that one.
Okay, next up it says to try the llama mix gummies. Fruity llama gummies. And there's juicy pineapple, mango, melon, and raspberry.
And of course, llamas.
Okay, let's see if we can find enough of each color. Okay, first we have the yellow one that looks like a cactus. I expected that to feel different in my mouth. It's really, really soft. It's almost like marshmallow consistency, not like a gummy. That was really good though. Okay, next we have the blue one, and they're llama heads. This one's got little heart-shaped sunglasses on. This one's got something in its hair, and this one's got some funny little sunglasses.
I like them.
Okay, then we've got this pink one. Some of them look like llama heads. This one actually says llama. Not marshmallow consistency.
Those throw me off.
Takes a little while for the flavor to hit you on that one.
I'm pretty sure they're all llamas. It's called the Fruity Llama Gummies.
Well, the first one was definitely a cactus.
Yeah. And then we got these like clear orange ones. These two are llama heads. This one's a whole llama. Okay, so this one's more like a regular gummy.
Yep.
That one has a lot of flavor. I think it's mango. It's really good. Oh, it's really, really good. Okay. Then we have like this pinkish purple one. Llama head, whole llama, and the word llama. That one took a second for the flavor to hit me. Raspberry. These are so good. Nom nom nom. I'm not sure which one is my favorite out of this and the chocolate. Probably still the chocolate. Okay, next it says to have the ghost snacks. Open for me. They look like they're gonna be puffy things, but they're not. Or maybe they are. We have little ghosts. Okay, you can go. Potato snack with ketchup flavor.
And cheese.
What do you think? Want another? I was expecting like them to be a little spicy.
I was expecting them to be cinnamon because the way they felt and tasted.
I was expecting Cheetos.
I was not expecting ketchup. It was a little weird. Okay. Oh, then we try the apple and cinnamon strudel gummy sticks. I think this is the last thing. Nope, there's more.
Pretty good.
Kind of reminds me of one of those sour strip things.
Mhm.
I have like the noodles,
Except they're not sour.
but they're made like that just instead of sour, instead of cinnamon and apple.
Mmm. This actually does make me think of strudel, like the crumble on top. That's exactly what this makes me think of. We were actually supposed to try these others after the llama gummies. So the last thing we have here to try are the crispy corn cakes, cocoa glaze, and sea salt.
Actually has an ear of corn on it.
I almost expect these to be like the rice cakes, just because of the way they look. But they're corn cakes, not rice cakes. Apparently 3 of these is only 130 calories, so...
In addition, chocolate covered Fritos.
I mean, it looks like a rice cake. These are stuck together.
Not bad.
It's a lot like a rice cake. A really thin rice cake. To be honest though, I prefer this over the other one. Because the other one really did feel like you were eating styrofoam. Plus I like the chocolate flavor better. Okay, so now we need to rate these. Alright, which one was our least favorite? I'm gonna say my least favorite was probably these caraway pretzels.
Yeah, those. And then these.
Do y'all agree on the caraway pretzels?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we think the weirdest ones were?
No.
Oh,
I'm going with the marshmallowy.
so you say the gummies. I say, or Xander says the crispy rice cakes with the apricot yogurt glaze. And I kind of feel like the ghost snacks were pretty weird. I mean, though I think I'm gonna have to go with Xander if I had to pick one
For weirdest?
for weirdest.
Okay.
It was like eating styrofoam.
That's true.
Okay, and then our favorite.
Gotta be this.
The oatmeal chocolate cookies. I agree.
I like the where the yes sticks.
Yeah,
Yeah, those
he keeps trying to take those. Those are really, really good.
There was also those.
Yeah, the raspberry candies was really good.
But those were good.
These were delicious. I want to say those are number 1. So, what did you guys think of all of these Czech Republic snacks? Which one is one that you would be interested in trying for yourself? Also, I will include all the information about this box down in the description. If there's any discount codes or anything like that, I'll include that down below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button down below. And until next time, remember to always be completely you. Bye!